Have a good day everyone, and today we will see zoom factor command and aperture command in AutoCAD. Okay, first let's see zoom factor command. Type zoom factor. Now zoom factor 60. Type 10. Enter. Now scroll. Zoom in and out slowly. Zoom in and out slowly. Okay, let's see. Again type zoom factor. Type 100. Enter. Again scroll. Now zoom in and out quickly. Okay, again type zoom factor. Zoom factor 60. Okay, now scroll. Now zoom in and out normally. Okay, 60. Okay, now let's see aperture command. Type aperture. Object snap target height now 20. Type 2. Enter. Line L. Enter. Now difficult to find endpoint and midpoint. Difficult to find endpoint and midpoint. Again type aperture. Object snap target height now type 50. Enter. Go line L. Enter. Now easy to find midpoint and endpoint. Now easy to find midpoint and endpoint. Okay, exit. Again type aperture. Type 20. Object snap target height 20. Okay, line L. Enter. Endpoint, nearest, midpoint, nearest, endpoint. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.